Bluewolf here. This video today is a tour around the boat. As you can see, I'm probably not on the boat right now. So this is the first video I actually put up. It says it's going back to YouTube, and I promised I would do a vlog and maybe a tour around the boat on my journey of my holidays. So let's go and do the tour, and I will get back to you soon. Tour of the boat. Let's go. So here's the gambling machines, basically I call them. Here's the gambling machines. It's a gambling area, as you can see. So yeah, there's a gambling area. This is currently in the boat. Let's go. And now we're going to go to the next part of the boat. And now, so guys, we're in a tour of the shops. There's all perfumes and stuff like that. So yeah, that's a whole bunch of perfumes. This is a shop that you get in the boat. So yeah, here's all the perfumes. So it is. And here's all the goodie stuff here. So it is. Electronics. Toys. More electronics. There's hats, frames. So it is. For all the girly girls out there, here's handbags, arty stuff. So it is. Legos. There's more colouring stuff and magazines, watches, things like that. Well, here's all the beer supplies, but that doesn't provide anyone that is younger than 18 years old. There's the jewellery area. So it is. There's all this Scottish products, mugs, keyrings, purses, even children's stuff here. Yeah, pens, all the Scottish stuff mostly. So it is. Another wee teddy bears. So it is. There's some toys, teddies, some sweets, and chocolates. So it is. Some chocolates, packed of chocolates, chocolate bars, big ones. There's nice snacks. So it is. There's more up here. So guys, that is the tour of the shop. And now I might go and see what else we have in the boat. Guys, I am here now. I'm going to do a tour of the cinema, the board, where they have all the game and stuff. And I will be back to you soon as I do a speed tour of the last couple of things of the boat. Let's go and get at it. Guys, now a bit of the tour, and then I'm going to get a few outside the boat. This tour is the wee arcade bit. I'm going to where it is. Guys, we're on the deck. Would you like to see the view? Really nice view, and it's very, very windy. So sorry if I can't really hear me properly, but I'm trying to shout as possible, talk as loud. So yeah, look, there is the view of the boat, outside the boat on the deck. We are currently at the top deck. So we are, and it's very, very windy. Here's the waves of the water. Look at that. So look, all over there. Nice bright sky, so it is. And so yeah, here is the tour of the top deck of the water in the sky. Yo! I'll be getting off in the boat in about 10 minutes. Guys, I'm currently inside the boat again after the one that I got more or less hit with at the top deck. So I'm getting off now. It's 10 minutes time or so, like I said, and I will you know, do more videos and during the week of the activities I'm doing at my holidays, and I'm currently traveling to Scotland. So yeah, I will make another video soon as. So if you like the tour of the boat journey, then please hit that like button and comment below, and don't forget to share, as I would appreciate it. And also hit the notification bell for more updates, and there's going to be another update soon whenever I do activities in my holidays. So yes, that's Blue Wolf over, and goodbye.